All right, if you're using multiple apps for work or content creation. Yeah, connecting them with Google Drive can save a ton of time. In this full guide, I'll show you how to integrate Google Drive with other apps, step by step. First, open Google Drive and click the gear icon in the top right corner. Now go to Settings, then open the Manage Apps section. You'll see apps that can work with Google Drive. Connect the ones you use regularly. If you need more tools, open the Google Workspace Marketplace and install compatible apps. When connecting apps, review the permissions they request before allowing access. Many apps let you open, save, or attach files directly from Google Drive. You can also connect automation tools to move files, create backups, or sync data automatically. Regularly remove apps you no longer use to keep your account secure. Finally, upload or share a file to make sure the integration works properly. And yeah, that's how you integrate Google Drive with other apps. Once everything connects together, your workflow becomes much faster and easy.